welcome back to my channel Dazzling Poo, and I'm Poonam. So in today's video I'm going to share another makeup look for Eid and Rakhi. Yay, we are getting two festivals in upcoming week. So I just put a question on my Instagram story, so should I do a cleanup for this festival season or I should do a makeup? Then I got 75 plus yes for the makeup. So here it is my makeup ideas for these two festivals. You can do this makeup on Rakhi as well on Eid. So happy Rakhi and happy Eid in advance to you. And creation of this look is very easy. You can opt this look according to the colors of your dress, and this look is so fresh and subtle and a light kind of makeup which you can wear a whole day long. So now without any further ado, just directly fly to the video. Chilling. So starting my makeup with this primer. This is actually a watermelon gel from Good Vibes, and I have already moisturized my face. You can use any kind of gel for priming your face because it creates a very good layer on your face. So now I'm using this foundation from L'Oreal Paris, and I'm also mixing this NYX concealer a little bit in my foundation so that it will create a good shade according to me, because my foundation is a shade dark than my skin tone and this concealer is one shade lighter, so I have mixed both of them. Yes, you can do your foundation and concealer like this. And now I'm blending it properly. You can see that I have blended one side, and now I'm using this concealer from NYB, and this is a true match for my skin. Yeah, so I have put this concealer under my eyes and my highlighting points, and wherever you have any kind of pigmentation or dark spots or any kind of pimple marks, you can use this concealer there. And it is so easy to blend this concealer. I just love this concealer from NYB. Then I will set all the concealer from this compact from Maybelline, and this compact is really affordable and very good, especially for beginners. I purchased this compact when I was a beginner, so I will also do this baking from the same compact. Yeah, you can do this baking from compact. And now I will use these two eyeshadow palettes for my rest of the makeup. So I have picked one light dark purple shade as my transition shade, and I have also mixed a little bit of brown shade as my transition shade. So after that I will apply this yellow shade, but I was using this brush and I was using this yellow shade for the first time from this palette, and it was not working with this brush kind of thing because it was so powdery. So I used my finger for applying this yellow shade, and now I'm mixing both the shades so that they will not look harsh. So you can see I have applied my yellow eyeshadow, and now I'm using this my eyeliner. So yeah, eyeliner is done. I'm using this Maybelline's Colossal Kajal, and I have done this half eye kajal. Now I'm mixing this kajal with dark brown shade so that it will give a smoky kind of look to my eye. And now I'm going to do my eyebrow with this eyebrow pencil from Maybelline, and now I realize that it is finished. So I done my eyebrows with eyeshadow because I was so lazy to pick up the another one because I had to go in another room for that. So I did it with my eyeshadow palette. Yes, you can do your eyebrow with a eyeshadow palette, and you have to choose then a dark brown shade. So I'm also doing my contouring with the dark brown shade. I prefer powder kind of contouring because this is so sticky kind of weather these days in monsoon. So yeah, almost done with my contouring, and yeah, I'm doing this contouring on my neck so that in this type of contour you can just hide your double chin if you have double chin kind of problem. I have a little bit of double chin, so I'm doing this contouring around under my chin. And now I'm doing this blush. This is from Wet and Wild, and this is a kind of nude kind of blush, and the shade name is Apricot in the middle. So I'm doing my rest of the highlighting from this Wet and Wild stick, and this is so easy and so smooth to blend. This is just love. So yeah, I put one eyelash on my one eye because another one is waiting and that's glue actually was not dry yet. So yeah, I'm doing this lipstick. Till then I'm using two lipstick. One is brown shade from ADS and another one is a nude kind of shade from Huda Beauty. So I have mixed both the lipstick for this look. Yeah, so done with my lipstick here almost, and I have put also my another lash and almost completed my look here. So I'm choosing this earring. I was so confused between two earrings, so tried both of these, and yeah, finally picked one. And I have done my hair. It is a half updo kind of hairstyle, so I was so confused with this hairstyle. It was not suiting properly, so yeah, but I was not happy, so finally ended up opening my hair for this look. Yeah, and so yeah, this is the final look. You can see I have opened my hair, and this is the final one I give this to look. Yeah, that's final. Yeah, you can see. So I hope you enjoyed watching this look, and if you're gonna do this look and if you like this one, just tell me in comment box. And now if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up also, and subscribe my channel, and also press the ting bell so we can stay connected for long and you will not miss any update for my new videos. And now we'll see you in my another video. Till then, bye bye, and of course take care.
Your 5 minutes are on. Just beat it.